Dino University.
Do you know the very first musical instrument might have been a piano, maybe a guitar, or a drum? Let's find out. Thousands of years ago, there were no phones, no radios, and no way to send a message far away. Then how did they communicate? If danger was coming or it was time for a celebration, how could people let everyone know in time? That's what led to this innovation. Early humans discovered that hitting hollow logs made a deep boom sound that traveled far, and they tried it out. Later, people learned to stretch animal skins over hollow bowls and pots. The sound became even louder and richer. This was a clever idea. And that's how the drum was born. The very first time someone struck this new drum, the whole village turned to listen. Drums weren't just music. They were how people talked to each other from far away. It made them communicate with each other. Villages used special drum beats to send messages across great distances, almost like an ancient telephone made of sound. Drums also brought people together for dancing, celebrations, and festivals. It made the community stronger. Every culture around the world created their own special kinds of drums. It changed across countries and culture. Today, drums are in marching bands, rock concerts, and even video games. Even kids enjoy the drum toy. Fun fact, the human heartbeat is actually a natural drum beat, and that's why music with a strong beat feels so exciting. From ancient hollow logs to modern drum kits, the beat has never stopped. That's the incredible journey of the first musical instrument. So the next time you tap a beat, remember, you're doing something humans have loved for thousands of years. Ask a grown-up to make music with you.
Subscribe for more videos.